Hi, my name is Kat from Owling Dog. I love creative arts and restoring old furniture and other items. The time you spend watching this channel is appreciated. I hope you subscribe and like these videos, which helps circulate the content. Feel free to drop a comment. All of these are appreciated. Well, let's go see what's in the barn. I wanted to decorate a jar that I saved. You can see that I couldn't get the label off. And the only paint I had on hand for the right color was the Melange paint, which is not a chalk paint. So I'm going to add some baking soda to it to make it more chalky, plus to enable me to use some texture on it. Because if I use texture, it will hide the fact that I couldn't get the label all the way off. So I'm going to try that. So I'm going to dab two separate paints on. One is the Copperhead Orange and the other is the Mink Brown. They don't want transfers, they don't want decoupage paper, they just want plain attractive decor. So I tried to use the colors that I thought would be attractive to them and match the house. And yeah, that was my goal. Long ago when the boys were little, I always tried to decorate their rooms as well as I could with what I had at hand, and my sister had given me a bunch of different color blue curtains, and they were shears, and I piled them up. It was so pretty. It looked like a rainbow of shears in the room for my oldest son. And at one point, he was about 4 years old, and he said, "Mommy, that's pretty enough." And so I knew that I might have been going overboard for the boy. I don't have a hot glue gun, so I'm using the Type Bond Quick and Thick. It will hold everything. This is just some additional padding around the top of the jar so that when I do wrap the twine around it, the sides of the top of the jar will show less. As you can see, I'm working right on the kitchen counter here. Yeah, no, that's not going to work. I decided to just use it plain and then go over it with the twine. I will say that that particular applicator for the Type Bond Quick and Thick is the best glue applicator I've ever used. I never have any problem as long as I put that small tip on the end. And sometimes I actually wash the top off before I put that tip on. It never gets gluey at the top and stops it from coming out the end of the applicator. So just my take on glue, which is always seems to be a problem for those CA glues. So all I did was wash out my brushes, and now I'm going to add a little bit more of the copperhead orange over the top. Now the mink brown and the copperhead orange matches the little side table that I did in another video. So after that's dry, I'm going to put some more glue on and then add the twine. And this is just a simple way to take something that is left over that you might throw in the trash and make it a cute little decor piece. And this still comes pretty naturally to me because I did a lot of this stuff when my kids were small. You know, having some limited finances makes you very creative. So there's always something good that can be found. And I'm just smoothing it off with some of the glue around the twine. And yeah, this probably took me, less than 12 minutes. Here's where we started with a messy looking glass jar.